Okay, switching gears now. We're taking a live look at the East Bay. It's Fremont, Walnut Creek there. You can see some hazy skies in the distance. An air quality advisory has been extended as smoke from wildfires hover over the Bay Area. The Park Fire, which is now one of the largest wildfires in California history, has grown to nearly 430,000 acres and is just 36% contained. Some Bay Area firefighters remain on the fire lines trying to help stop the spread. NBC Bay Area's Christie Smith reports.
You can see it from our NBC Bay Area traffic cameras, the hazy sky over Santa Clara County.
There's a thin layer of smoke from wildfires that are sort of in California, Oregon, Washington, all the way up through Canada. That are sort of, this thin layer is overlaying the Bay Area, and we're seeing some smoky and hazy skies.
Aaron Richardson is a spokesperson for the Bay Area Air Quality Management District. On Thursday, the agency issued an air quality advisory. That's been extended again through tomorrow.
Along the coast, we're seeing good air quality. And a little bit in the East Bay and the South Bay, we're seeing some moderate air quality. We're not anticipating that air quality at ground level will be too bad. If we did, we would be issuing a full spare the air alert.
He says the advisory is more of a precaution.
Well, moderate air quality won't affect most people too much, but anyone who's especially sensitive, who's got pre-existing respiratory or health conditions, might want to not be outside as much.
While a number of fires are burning in the west, the Park Fire in Northern California is the state's biggest wildfire so far this year and the fourth largest in California history.
We have two sets that are out. The first one is our Crew 8, which is our hand crew.
This is video of that crew from Alameda County hard at work at the Park Fire. It's their first time leaving the county jurisdiction and helping out in the state. The other one is part of the OES strike team,
which includes departments from Fremont Fire, Livermore Pleasanton Fire Department, Hayward Fire Department, and then 2 Alameda County Fire Department engines.
While Bay Area air is not too bad, it may be a different story on the fire lines.
Crews work long shifts and they're in the smoke. There's no running for them. They do try and stay out when they can on their off days if it's even possible.
Christie Smith, NBC Bay Area News.